Now he has access to so many things. His music, the phone interface there. Now we have full navigation.
Starting with McDonald's, you can ask Siri to report any crashes or hazards you see along the way.
If you want pizza, you can order your Domino's pizza here. Here's Fox News, iHeartRadio, Spotify. Now you have front camera. All the apps you have on your phone, you now have access to on this heads-up display, guys. It was a plug-and-play installation.
Welcome back to the Atomic Wheels YouTube channel. Today we've got a great upgrade for the Tesla Model Y. We're installing a heads-up display. Now all the key information will be right in front of you, with fewer distractions from the road. We'll walk you through the installation step by step. Let's get started.
Our first step in installing the HUD display is we're going to hit the panel popper and pop these panels out on each side of the A-frame. That's going to free this up. Next, you're going to take out this floorboard, the footboard. It's kind of like a little button in there. You're going to run your harness across the dash from here, then down the A-frame, and tuck it back. We'll get some zip ties. I'm going to pull the carpet back. You're looking for these plugs. You're just going to lay the template out on the driver's side, right in front of the steering wheel. I'm going to run the wires through the template right where the 3 holes are. That's going to sit right in there. Pull the cords through and have all 4 of these feet set right through the holes. Turn this over right here. And this is going to attach to the feet. And have your tabs going down. Bringing this back in the driver's side to hook up the power and information cords. You see that the display comes on. I'll just leave that here for now until we run the front camera. We're going to go ahead and remove this up here. $10mm socket. Just take these bolts. You're going to want to take this panel off, unplug the light. Underneath this mat, there's going to be 2 more 10mm bolts. This should lift right out. I'm going to take the purple end, the label 4, down and run it through the front grille. Put the mounting bracket on the rear camera. I'm going to put the adhesive on the back of the stand. I'm going to go ahead and take your camera, mount it right in the middle of the vehicle. Go ahead and plug it in. Push this, we'll pull it through from the back end. And you're going to take your screws, finish the mounting process. Now secure the camera to the bumper. 4 of these pull tabs that you have to take out to drop this panel. You just pull it down. You're going to run the cord underneath the plastic. And you'll attach it to whatever you're going to use to fish it through the firewall. You're going to find the boot right here in the firewall. And just go through there. You'll locate where you fished your wire through and then pull it all the way. And you're going to feed it up into the dash, back to your HUD. All right, then once you run it across the dash, plug the number 3 into the number 3, and you'll just want to hide your wires away from any of the clips, and then we'll put this back down. Just reassembling the front. Make sure you don't forget to plug in the light. We'll just put the screws, 10 millimeters, back in.
All right, guys, we've just got done installing this beautiful heads-up display. One of our favorite clients, David, with this beautiful Model Y here, and we just kind of want to show you some of the things. Now, Apple CarPlay and some of those things are not on the Tesla, as you all well know. And so now he has access to so many things. You can see here his music, the phone interface there, podcast, maps. Looks like we beat Elon to the update on that. And so navigation, complete navigation. Let's just search for quick. So go fast food. There's no need for gas. So we can just click a quick fast food here. Let's just say McDonald's. Oh. Now we have full navigation.
With McDonald's, you can ask Siri to report any crashes or hazards you see along the way.
As you can see, this has a speaker on it, and now you can adjust the volume of the speaker and what have you, or you can just silence it out. So you have complete navigation now. Pandora, you have all access to Pandora and your favorite music collections, audiobooks, messaging, settings. Look at this. If you want pizza, you can order your Domino's pizza here. Here's Fox News. The list goes on and on. iHeartRadio, Spotify. You guys now have access with this Atomic Wheels heads-up display to access a lot of your podcasts, a lot of your WhatsApp, whatever apps that you have, Walmart, it's going to all be in this interface here. This is pretty cool. As if we are going to take off, roll down this window. Now we're able to change the color to match the beautiful blue that is on this Tesla Model Y. And so I was able to adjust that. Now you have front camera. So when you take off, you have your front camera, has your speed limit. Let me reverse out a little bit. And so the cool thing about this is that you don't necessarily have to have the front camera view. If you don't like, you can always exit out of there just like that, and it takes you back to your Bluetooth setup here. Blow up your navigation like that, and now you have an amazing interface. The zoom in if you'd like, the zoom out. So all the apps you have on your phone, you now have access to on this heads-up display, guys. Now the process took about an hour and 20 minutes of installation. It was a plug and play installation. I think the only issue that we had was getting the wiring done through the firewall, but it was a pretty simple and easy process. And as you can see now, this beautiful Tesla Model Y has some pretty cool updates, guys. It's a great interface, great setup. Now our friend David gets to go and enjoy his Model Y and listen to all the music on all his apps, and even order pizza if he'd like. If you've made it this far, welcome to the Atomic family. Drop a like, don't forget to hit subscribe, and let us know your thoughts down below to help us keep pushing out the builds and stories you love. We've got a lot more coming your way, so stay tuned. Grab your next set at atomicwheels.com, and don't forget to use promo code YTAtomic10 for 10% off.